Welcome back and welcome to now what we call in these new episodes in this part of the streets to entrepreneurs, copy paste coders, where we're going to talk about AI and then how easy it is to develop apps and use AI right now. Also, if you like, comment, share, subscribe if you like and want more content like this. But welcome to the Street Entrepreneurs, and let's jump right into it and let me show you and talk about yesterday and how I want to reiterate what I was doing live, especially the quality was terrible trying to republish it, but the video. And also, like I said, I want you to take the journey with me on YouTube. So go watch the video where we keep it a little bit more rough, tough, and rugged. But today, I wanted to get back into the program that we use, which was Lovable Dev. What we created, which was a quick female booking site for women that do hair, and then get into a little bit more on my app, how I built it to be, let's say not be, but to stay up to date with what's going on, and then to build a new business model around my business that will make things easier, especially with the use of AI right now. Stay tuned with me. Come on, jump in. Well, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what's going on. And let's first look at the site that we made yesterday. Then let's make a site real quick again in less than 15 minutes. How about that? Let's get it. So let's jump in. As you see, let's go look at the screen. As you see from the site, they made a little name for it and a picture and everything. And it's a little simple, quick booking site. But we took, from reviewing the video, it took about 15 minutes to make the whole application. That's it. Before, it would have took matter of days and months to make this, or you would have needed a big team or a lot of money. But for anybody that needs a booking site, that's how easy you can make one, or a booking app. Meaning that, yes, the framework that Lovable uses is Vite and React. So you could definitely turn these into mobile apps and put them on the mobile store, or you can make them downloadable. But it doesn't look that bad. Everything functions. All the buttons function, except for the book now, because what you would probably need is like something to where you can actually take in user data and pull in bookings, set it up, and be able to respond and probably even take payments. Well, the program that we're using, as you see, is called Lovable. Very good program, just came out. And this is one of them that I've been using and experiment with since they dropped. So between that and then I'm using Cursor and Windsurf, you definitely can develop a lot of different things on your own, like really fast. And really, I mean, like, just think about it. You could build software. And I'm saying this from where certain resources is not that wasn't that available for this type of information. Say hi. Yes, these is one of the programs that you could use, Lovable Dev. So as you've seen, that was a simple site that we made. That was a booking site. Now, let's do another one live with you with Lovable Dev real quick, and let's see what we can make. Let's make a chatbot for a plumbing company. So where now, if you have let's say if you have a plumbing company, you have a website or anything, you can add this chatbot to your website, this chatbot to do customer service, send emails and stuff like that. But we're going to make it real quick. Boom, let's do it. Let's see. So what we're going to do, we're going to make this simple and type. Make a simple AI chatbot for a plumbing company. So we're also going to put for customer service. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a AI chatbot for a plumbing company real quick and see how fast that we can get this up, out, and deployed. Let's go. And like I said, as we wait for it to load and process, this is just the beginning stages of the design, what you can do. And then now from here, you have to now deploy it and other things like that, database functionality alerts. So as you see from the screen, before you would have had to individually do this, or you would have had to buy, or not say buy, you would have had to hire different developers to do these different coding languages or different functionalities to develop your app. Now you get an AI to do it all for you. The future. So as you see from the screen, we're done. We're about 3 minutes in? So within 5 to 10 minutes, we have now made an AI chatbot to where we can now make specific for a plumbing company. The AI called it Plumbing Path. We're going to type it to her quick to see if it works. Lovable Dev also integrated an API to use and test. That was crazy. So as you see, we have a response. It says, "Thank you for your message. I'll be happy to help you with your plumbing needs to better assist you. Could you provide more details about your plumbing issue or question, or would you prefer to speak directly with one of our plumbing professionals?" Yes. And then, like I said, with this, you can integrate this to constantly take lead customer service to where now you could automatically respond. So like right now, if you was asleep, you would have a service to respond back to your customers. If you like content like this or you need help, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welcome. This is Copy Paste Coders to the streets of entrepreneurs. He asked me who I do it for. I tell him, I did it for the Jets. Did it for the streets. I did it for the